The world was caught off guard when reports emerged that Russia had made a fatal mistake. They had shot down a Starlink satellite, a seemingly minor move in the grand chessboard of geopolitics. But what happened next shocked the world. This decision had unimaginable consequences. Stick with us as we unravel the chain of events that followed this reckless act. On the night of date, Russian military forces launched an ASAT, anti-satellite missile, targeting one of Elon Musk's Starlink satellites in low Earth orbit. The explosion sent debris hurtling through space, igniting global outrage. The Russian government has confirmed the destruction of a satellite linked to SpaceX's Starlink network, calling it a necessary precaution against Western interference. But what was the real reason behind this attack? Some believe Russia saw Starlink as a threat to its military operations. Others argue it was a direct message to Elon Musk and his increasing influence over global communications. Starlink has been essential in providing uninterrupted communications in regions where traditional infrastructure has failed. But Russia's attack didn't go as planned. The destruction of the Starlink satellite caused an unstable debris field, endangering not only SpaceX's network but also Russian satellites, the International Space Station, and critical global communication systems. When you destroy a satellite in low Earth orbit, the debris doesn't just disappear. It creates a cascading effect, a scenario known as the Kessler syndrome, where collisions lead to even more debris, potentially rendering parts of space unusable. Governments and private organizations scrambled to assess the damage. GPS networks faltered. International banking systems experienced glitches. The world felt the impact of Russia's mistake almost immediately. Elon Musk, never one to back down, responded swiftly. SpaceX activated reserve satellites, minimizing the disruption. But Musk wasn't just playing defense. He announced an acceleration of the Starshield project, an advanced military-grade satellite network that could override any future threats.